तेरा हुआ जा रहा हूँ, बस तेरा हुआ जा रहा, मैं तेरा हुआ जा रहा हूँ, बस तेरा हुआ जा रहा। तेरी आंखों में जो डूबूं, तेरी बाहों में जब झूमूं, सारी घड़ियां रोक के सोचूं इस कदर मैं
It
तेरा।
happened, life was happening, and as life happens, खुशी खुशी के मौकों पे कुछ मेलोडीज, कुछ आइडियाज आए, गम के मौकों पे कुछ चीजें आई, और वो करते करते होता ना कि जिंदगी के बारे में बन गई। जो मुझे मसला अभी महसूस होता है वो ये है कि मैं तेरा में मैंने अभी तक की जिंदगी डाल दी है, तो आगे अगले एल्बम में 1.5-2 साल, कहते हैं ना कि पहले एल्बम में जिंदगी चाहिए होती है, अगले एल्बम में 2 साल। तो आई एम लाइक कि अब जल्दी से बहुत सारी जिंदगी गुजार लो 2 साल में, और चीजें कर लो, ताकि उसमें से कुछ मौके आए जिसमें से कुछ गाने निकल आए। बहुत सारे, you know there are many artists from around the world where it is, the truth is, लोगों के ख्वाब होते हैं कि I want to get to a certain place, or I want to reach somewhere in my life so that I can, be here, live here, buy this, buy that. But for me, the most exciting thing is that, who else can I work with? I find, in terms of listening, at this point, I'm finding myself listening to a lot of old stuff. I'm trying to understand what makes things timeless, what makes that work relevant today. कि आज भी हम किशोर दा की कोई चीज सुनते हैं या पंचम दा की कोई चीज सुनते हैं, और आज भी इट्स सो रेलेवेंट एंड इट्स सो, राज कपूर साहब की फिल्म लगाते हैं और अभी भी लगता है कि अभी के बारे में बात हो रही है। ठीक है, मोबाइल फोन वो चीजें नहीं है फिल्म के अंदर, और ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में, लेकिन द स्टोरी टेलिंग इज सो रेलेवेंट, द वे द म्यूजिक इज सो रेलेवेंट, हाउ, so for me that is very inspiring. It's fascinating that, okay, what can I do in my work that maybe 40-50 years later somebody wants to listen to it. So that inspires me. And in terms of artists today, sir, I feel, uh, I genuinely want to believe that this is a very important time for music and the arts, because this explosion that's happened of autonomy that artists are developing through, whether it's social media, whether it's the platforms, whether it's just internet at large, that they have the ability to express themselves. So जो पहले नहीं थी, पहले, there were so many obstacles for an artist to be able to have their work heard or seen, and that isn't there. So I think we're very fortunate to live in a time like this. And so for me, I'm inspired by a lot of people, especially today. Like रोज YouTube पे वो जो एल्गोरिदम शुरू होता है, तो घूमते घूमते आपको लोग मिलना शुरू होते हैं जो, मतलब, चेकोस्लोवाकिया में कोई बंदा बैठ के चाहे चेलो बजा रहा है, and you're just listening to him for an hour and he's fantastic, you know. So a lot of people. Hmm. खुदा खुदा, जिसने की तुझ मिल गया उसको तू, सबका तू रहनुमा, ऐ खुदा खुदा। मेरी रूट्स बहुत कनेक्टेड है। मेरी जो नानी थी, माय ग्रैंडमदर, माय मदर्स मदर, शी वाज इंग्लिश, and therefore I've spent a lot of time in London. I have family in England, and England holds a very important place in my heart for that reason. Um, uh, but she, she was like a mother to me, and the fact that she belongs to England, I'm a British citizen myself, and so in that sense, I've spent a lot of time in England, and the fact that she was from there makes it even more close to my heart. That's why I keep telling, whenever I'm speaking to my team or my management, I'm constantly like, अच्छा, यूके में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? यूके में वो बार बोलता है, दुनिया बहुत बड़ी, सिर्फ यूके की क्यों बात करते रहते हो? And I'm like, दुनिया मेरे लिए बहुत अजीज है, लेकिन यूके has a very specific place. And also because, like, in terms of music, my father has been given so much love in England. So I can't wait to come and, spend time with those audiences, play for them, sing with them, I hear a lot of the people from London who particularly live in London complain about the weather. I love the weather there, but maybe because I've spent short amounts of time there, like a few months at the max. So I love the weather. I love it has this melancholic romance to it, which I really really like. I love walking in London. I try to avoid any form of transport over there other than walking, because it's just much, and there's so much history there. And I have had the fortune of doing quite a few recordings for this album over there as well.
So that way, obviously, it's very close to my heart as well. But it's just, it's been one of my, the places internationally I've spent most amount of time, and I have a lot of friends and things, and family over there. That's why it's a big part of my life. It's a massive honor for me to be recording there, and I have some more recordings when I come. As soon as things open up, I'm due for a trip, and I have some more recordings at Abbey Road as well. So for any musician, that's like it's the gold standard, and it's the ultimate place to work. And coming from this part of the world, representing our music over there is a big deal for me. And specifically, there's one song on the album called Zama, and Zama is a Pashto song, and my native language from both my parents' side is Pashto because we're Pathans. And I think, probably be one of the first few artists to ever sing Pashto at Abbey Road. So for me, that's a big honor, and it's like marking our territory. So I'm excited about that. So the last time I was there, we tried to do a picture and there was too much traffic, and I didn't want to be screamed at by anybody. But hopefully, we're going to try and schedule our next recordings at such a time where we can get that picture in, because both a Panti picture. I'm a huge Beatles fan, and just any music fan in the world, if they're there, they got to get that picture. I did get a picture in front of the studio, but not on the crossing yet. I have not done this yet, but that is part of our plan when we go back. The mic and piano that we have. So there's this gentleman over there. I'm forgetting his name. He has been there since the tail end of the Beatles era, and he's still there. He's in his he's in his mid 80s, and he is still in charge of maintenance of all the equipment. So there is a mic. I don't know which one it is. I presume it's a Telefunken or a U47 or something, Neumann, and a specific piano, which was Mr. John Lennon's. So that is something which he has committed to me when I met him last time, that we would be using. So that for me is it's on the bucket list to touch those keys that Mr. Lennon touched and sing through those. Through the mic that he sung in. So that is on the cards. Hopefully, as soon as things open up, I'm impatiently waiting. My Dadial and my Nanial, they're all big foodies. So most of the time that is spent, other than working, at some ways around some food activity, will be, it'll be the checkpoints of the day. Will be like, okay, ये खाएंगे फिर इधर जाएंगे फिर वो वहाँ इसलिए जाएंगे क्योंकि वहाँ ये खाने की चीज़ है. So there's a very and a lot of that is what that consumes, and I look forward to right now because we're getting into the next video shoot next month. So I'm on a strict diet, and that's not going too well because I see people around me eating, and I'm a big desi food addict. मुझे दुनिया जहान का खाना बर्दाश्त हो जाता है लेकिन अपना खाना नहीं होता. So that's what's happening. But a lot of it is spending time with family, spending time with my close friends, and my kids, most importantly.
And
They don't take me seriously at all. I remember when the album cover was made, I sent it to them, and I wanted them to react, and I wanted to have that proud father moment, my debut album cover, and they'll say something. My daughter's, mashallah, she's 5 now. My going to turn 7 this year, and she said, Baba, it's TV time right now. I'm and Sam, I'll talk to you in a bit. So they're visiting South Africa. तो वहां पर ना जो भी थोड़ी सी हवा भरी थी ना वही खत्म हो गई. So they're a blessing to have in my life, that they keep me in check. Genuinely loved radio. Even if you see Main Tera's video, we've done paid homage to radio. There's just something other than the fact that वो कहते हैं कि it's the exact audience that we work for. रेडियो सुनने वाला exactly होता है जिसको गाने सुनने हैं, उनको सुनना है कि क्या बन रहा है दुनिया में. It's a very specific listener, and there's just this charm to it. There's this beautiful charm to it. Firstly, to Radio Max listeners, thank you so much for listening to my music, to listening to the compositions that I've done in the past, to Main Tera as well, and to the music to come in the future. I work day in and day in and day out to make stuff that people who are listening to this anywhere in the world can feel entertained. The 3 to 5 minutes or 6 minutes you give me are very, very dear to me, and I try to make those as enjoyable and as good an experience as possible. So I hope you guys enjoy whatever work I bring to you, and I can't wait that as soon as things are better, I can come and live speak to the listeners and interact with them. in terms of singers that may be listening to this, I think we're all blessed to be in a time like this where we can put out our work. I know I have a huge, very, very long way to go in terms of as a musician, as a singer, tons to learn, tons to improve. But we have to start somewhere. So don't feel disheartened whether you call yourself a bathroom singer, a shower singer, some, alone you sing. If anybody discourages you, don't listen to them. There's somewhere we have to all start, and then we have to grow from there. So just go for it, and then from there, surround yourself by the right people with the right energy, and believe in whatever you believe, whether that's God, whether it's whatever it is, and just go for it. I want to walk down any street in London. I want to hear the song being sung in a bathroom. 100%. That मेरी जीत होगी. 20th of March. Mark the calendar, please. It's a song called "Tu." Put your dancing shoes on. It's a dance track. It's this crazy, fun song. I delve into an emotion that is very. It's a fun emotion. We've all been there. It's about being attracted to somebody जो आपको पता है कि आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी आप मजा ले रहे हैं कि चलो कोई नहीं, इसको ये enjoy करते हैं. Every person has had that one romance which they know is not great for them, but they've been like, yaar, koi nahi, chalo, let's keep, because you're so into the person. So, but you're aware that it's not good for you. So it's a fun song talking about that, and it's a very personal song to me. So I just, everyone there, listen to it, enjoy it, and let's have some fun.
जाने ना बेख्याली में क्या खो गया दिल में